Hello everyone, today we'll be making an odd or even number checker. So in this program, when we enter a number, it will output whether this number is odd or even. The number will be int input, and this will be the tip. Enter a number. So now we write if number, just write the percentage mark. This means number divided by something's remainder. So number divided by 2 remainder. If it's 0, it means it's an even number. So print the number is even. And else print the number is odd. So now let's test it. 45. The number is odd. 64. The number is even. This is all for today. See you next time.